Hello, world. Welcome to Tech Tutor Hub, your go-to place for learning coding and programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, Tech Tutor Hub is here to guide you every step of the way. I'm Adil Khan, and I'm passionate about making technology accessible to everyone. On this channel, we'll dive into various programming languages, tackle exciting projects, and explore the latest tech trends. We'll cover a wide range of topics including Python, JavaScript, web development, and even machine learning. Each tutorial is designed to be easy to follow, with practical examples and hands-on projects to help you master each concept. Plus, we love to interact with our community. So, if you have questions or need help with a specific topic, drop a comment, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Join us on our journey to demystify coding and make learning fun and accessible for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Welcome to Tech Tutor Hub, where coding becomes second nature. See you in the next video.